my name is Bob and welcome to the Homestead, y'all. Well, our tomato plants have been to the ground for 16 weeks now. They've grown huge this year. They've just done tremendous. This will probably be the last update video I do on them. They're almost at 16 feet. We're going to measure them today and see where they're at. I will do another video after we get first frost showing how we tear all this down and put our cover crops in and start preparing our soil for next year's tomato plants. Hopefully next year we'll reach 16 foot no problem. This year we had a cold spring and the plants didn't grow well, but they have taken off since then. We're picking anywhere between 25 and 30 pounds of tomatoes a week off of these, so they're just producing all kinds of tomatoes. But the days are getting shorter. We're getting some cool nights. We've had several nights down in the low 50s already. It won't be long and we'll have our first frost. So these things probably aren't going to last too many more weeks. But if they keep going, I may do one more video around the beginning of October if we don't get a frost by then, and just to show you how big they've reached. But this will probably be the last video that I do. So let's go ahead. We'll measure them. Since last month's update, we haven't done anything to these other than pick tomatoes. Christy and I come out here and we'll pick tomatoes for 2 hours off of these 4 plants. So they've been loaded with tomatoes. They've done their job. They've done a great job. So I look forward to growing more next year. So let's go ahead and we'll measure these and see where we're at. I have a 10-foot step ladder here because they are so tall. And this is what we've been picking tomatoes off of, this 10-foot step ladder. I'll try to find the spot and get down to the ground here. We'll get a measurement off of these. Get up here high enough. Okay. That one is 15 feet 4 inches tall. I have to move the ladder over. This other one, it looks like it's about the same height. And this one over here, it didn't grow as good at the beginning of the year, but it just took off and it's just about caught them. It may be 6 inches, maybe a foot shorter than these two, but it's not far behind them. Let me move the ladder over and we'll measure this other one. It is 15 feet 3 inches. So they're real close to each other. They've slowed down a lot. Not growing as tall as they were for a while. With the cool nights and the shorter days, they've slowed down, but they've still been producing tons of tomatoes. So we'll keep picking tomatoes off of these probably till first frost. Where the frost ruins. I have to be careful up here on top of this ladder. But if you have any questions or comments on how to grow tomatoes, how to grow huge tomato plants, please leave it below, and as always, thanks for watching.